Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the one message while I try to scroll my Instagram feed and it shows you are all caught up. You have seen all new posts from the past 3 days. But if I try to scroll down this page, the swipe down is not working. So it only shows my older post. So how to fix this issue? So very simple method to fix this error is just go to your profile section. So here you can press this horizontal 3 lines icon and go to settings and it shows some settings category. So here I try to select account settings. So next you can go to browser settings and one time clear this browsing data. So after you done these processes and go back to your homepage section. But sometimes this message occurs due to your Instagram following, which means that here I does not follow any of the person or Instagram page and here my following count as 0. So due to this reason, this Instagram not showing up any suggestions in my Instagram feed section. So make sure if you follow any person or Instagram page, so I try to follow some Instagram pages. So after I done these processes and then I try to check my Instagram feed section. But friends, now this time you can see it shows all the posts and reels video by based on my Instagram following. So now this time it does not show that previously occurred notification. So friends, if you have any doubts just comment to me. So otherwise just leave a one like. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box and thanks for watching.